Hello everybody, Kurt here from Yoda One Training and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to show you how to uncouple and recouple the trailer as you need to do it in your Module 3A test. In the test you are asked to uncouple the trailer and park the vehicle at the side and then recouple the trailer as though it's a new trailer and you've never seen it before. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like, and if you've got any questions, leave them over in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Right, over to you Lee, enjoy!
So I'm just checking the area, making sure it's suitable to drop the trailer. The things we're looking for is obviously flat, level ground.
Yeah.
And equally making sure that when we put the trailer legs down, trailer legs will not go through the surface. We've checked the area, we're quite happy. This is a safe and suitable place to separate the tracked unit from the trailer. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give you the P black, which is important. P being the number plate, and then BLACK represents every step of the separation. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is take the number plate off. The reason we take the number plate off is because the number plate belongs to the vehicle and not the trailer. Okay, so that's the P taken care of. What we're going to add now is we're going to go down the word black, BLACK. So the first letter is B, which represents the trailer parking brake. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and find out where that is. Just remember that this parking brake can be in various places on the trailer, but on this particular one, it's on the near side. So we're going to have a walk round. There's the parking brake lever. It is red. Exactly what it says on there, pull to park. There you go, parking brake is applied. Excellent. So, the next stage is L for legs. We've got our landing legs. The thing to remember about these, it is 2 speeds. We've got 2 gears with this. We've got a low speed and a high speed. Okay. Because we're leaving the trailer, we're going to face the back of the vehicle, engage the gear, simply wind the legs down. I'm now going to engage the lower gear and just take a bit more weight of the trailer. Now, the reason I'm doing this, Kurt, is because it pivots and the back wheels of the trailer come off the floor. Pull the lever out, select the neutral. Secure. Legs. Moving on, next letter is A. There is no set order to do these at all. So we're going to start from the furthest out, weight on the floor. One airline. I'll explain these airlines as we go along. Once we've done that, disconnected them, we add these for safe passage, for safe manoeuvring.
While you're doing this part, it is important to wear your safety gloves as there is sharp objects. It also can be monkey business, and also to watch your step as it is easily to fall and you could really hurt yourself.
Okay, so next thing we want to do, we want to go around to the driver's side or off side of the vehicle to remove the next letter, which is the clip or the dog clip. Dog clip removed. Next thing we now want to release the kingpin. Use one arm for support, pull the lever forward out into its resting point. At this point now, the trailer and the tractor unit are ready to separate. Okay, remember to take your gloves off, guys, if you don't want any dirt on your steering wheel. Just to let you know what this is. This is for the air suspension on the vehicle, because when we release the trailer from the tractor unit, we don't want the vehicle to jump up at the back. So we're going to level the vehicle as we pull out of the trailer. Okay, just going to close this door. Okay, so that's the uncouple completed. Just remember when you've uncoupled to come and park your tractor unit at the side of your trailer.
And there you have it, the uncoupling the trailer is complete. Remember P black, so that's P for number plate, which is to be removed, B for parking brake, and remember it's pull to park, L for landing legs must be lowered, A for airlines must be removed and stored for transit, C for clip or dog clip is to be removed, and then lastly K for kingpin, which is to be pulled out to unlock the kingpin. The next job is to couple it back up. Back to you, Lee.
Okay, so for the next part, the examiner will say to you, what I'd like you to do now is recouple the tractor unit to the trailer. Also bear in mind that this trailer you have never seen, okay? So treat it as a new trailer. Okay, right, so what we're going to do is P black in reverse. Now just going to look at a couple of things that we need to check just before we actually go under the trailer. Okay, I'll explain more. Things we're looking at here is the height of the fifth wheel. If it's too high, it could damage any of the connectors for the air couplings and electrics. If it's too low, the trailer can actually go into the back of the tractor unit cab. So all we're doing at the moment is just making sure that it's good to go. We also, if the handle jumps off, what we want to do is make sure it's in the correct position so the jaws are open, fully open. Okay, so we're happy with that. We're now going to jump in. What I like to do now is just turn on the suspension, and I'm going to lower the rear suspension. Okay, stop it there, close the door. Now I'm going to raise the suspension so it's at the correct height and take the weight of the trailer. Press the memory button. Warning light has gone out on the dashboard, so I'm more than happy now to recouple. next part of this, now we've done the 2 tug test, minimum 2 tug test, shall we say. We're now going to do our black in reverse. So we've done the K, kingpin is now locked in. So the next thing to put back on is our dog clip or safety clip. Into the hole. That one's grease and all that. Into the hole, happy days. Okay, right, so the next thing, go back round to the left hand side of the vehicle. So, we're going to look at all these connectors. We'll start with the 2 electrical ones. If you look, they're completely different. So all we need to do now is establish which ones they go in. So we can clearly see that one matches that one. And which leaves us that one matches that one. There is no given way to put these back on. All you want to do is make sure that the pins are nice and straight when you push them in. And don't wrap your Susies up. Hairline. Yellow line. If you look, will not connect on there. That's the only place it can go. On the top of this, what we've got a little nipple, and what we need to do is push the outer ring of the connector back, which releases the ball bearings which are on the inside. I'll show you that when I connect the other line up. Push that back, grab hold of your air line, push it in, and we need to twist the collar at least half a turn. Okay, we don't risk of any vibration coming round and the airline jumping off. Last one to connect. So I'm just going to go through this so you can see it. If you push that down, it releases those ball bearings inside. And what those ball bearings do when you let go, they actually grip along that little collar there. Okay, so we'll just do that. This is the red one. Again, twist the outer collar for at least half a turn. There you go, our trailer is now connected. Okay, so airline's connected. What we're going to do now is just wind the legs back up. Okay, as I explained before, 2 speeds to these, or 2 gears. Pull the handle out, taking the trailer away, so we want to face the front of the vehicle. As you notice, we can't move it, so we select the low gear. That way it makes it easier to take the weight off the legs. Just wind down. It will take a while because it does move slowly. Eventually it will become easy, really easy. Then what we do is we pull the handle back out, select the higher gear, and the legs will wind up a lot quicker. The other thing to remember is make sure that the leg is right into the cup, into the C cup there. See it with lock. Replace. So the final part, put the legs up, is to release the trailer parking brake. Just set it, pull to park. So we're going to push it to release it. We're going to push it in. I'm going to count to 10 seconds. The reason we count to 10 seconds, if the vehicle starts to move, it's quicker to pull that back on rather than to go out to jump in the lorry. Okay, quite happy with that. Round to the other side. Last thing we've got to do is refit the number plate. Okay, looking forward to our next video, which will include the daily walk round and a full light check.
And there you have it. This video has shown you how to uncouple and recouple the trailer as you need to do it in your Module 3A test. Now remember, this video is not a substitute for proper training, it's merely an aid to help you during your training or in preparation for your training. So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next video.